So what I'm planning to do is start a fire with a battery and tinfoil and kindling. I'm going to use cotton wool. I watched two other videos now. I made an attempt earlier. I can send that video if you want, but some tips, because the thing is basically you need to use the tinfoil to put the negative to the positive, but you need a very thin midway point so that it concentrates the heat, and that heat is generated by is basically resistance. So there's a bottleneck of energy going through to that very thin point. And yeah, and one of the things, like, I was trying to work out how to make such a thin point, and the one thing is, what you do is you put the tinfoil in half, or whatever you're going to use. And they were using bubble gum, the tinfoil that goes in bubble gum. They were using that. Put it in half, and then you cut from a very thin point to the end, and then you've got a midway point. So I'll do that now. So for example, there it is in half, and then I'm going to cut from one end to the other at an angle, so that there's a short end at the one end, at the folded end. Okay, there it is. There. Hopefully it doesn't break. There it is unfolded. Putting it on the negative and positive of the battery. Might have to get a different battery, because I've tried once before and it generated heat, but I wasn't getting anywhere. I think the tinfoil was too big, so I made it a lot smaller and the thin piece a lot thinner. Okay, so there it is there. Let's see if this works. So yeah, I just need to press that bottom end of that cotton wool, and then that tip should get really hot, but apparently it might melt so quick that you can't actually catch the rest of it on fire. So I'm going to put the end quite quickly against that cotton wool, but it might be almost immediate, so I don't know. Let's see. Oop. Oh shit. Yep. Thank you. Okay. New battery, new foil, covers the ends a bit more. It was too thin, I think. And then it's still got quite a small tapered middle, like that. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I've had to get another piece of tinfoil and make it again, because it actually worked for a split second and then it actually melted away. So let's see, hopefully I can get it this time. I was just trying to see without cotton, but now I'm gonna do it with cotton. Let's see. Hey! Oh, I did it! Hey! Look at that! Oh, shit. Let's move the battery away. Yeah. Nice!